Hi, today on the galley, today in Sam's kitchen, I bring you sweet chili sauce, one of my favorite condiments to have in the kitchen. And you can have this made in 5 minutes, and it doesn't take that many ingredients. We're going to start with 1/3 cup rice wine vinegar, 1/2 cup honey, and of course you can do your pure cane sugar here. And I actually think this would be a nice place for your date sugar, and 1/2 cup water, or more if it splashes, a teaspoon of soy sauce, and 2 cloves of garlic minced, and a good heaping tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. And you can put the heat on at this point and start this coming up to a boil. And of course, the star of the show, red chili flakes. Now, you can go anywhere from a teaspoon to a tablespoon of red chili flakes because you get to pick your heatness level here. And I'm kind of a wimp, so I'll probably go for maybe 1/2 of a tablespoon. Now, I just wanted to say, if you've seen my video on spices, you know I get a lot of my spices from Spiceway. No preservatives, no fillers, no additives, no salt, no MSG, GMO. They're just really nice spices. But what I wanted to say is, it doesn't cost a whole lot to buy a really nice herb or spice. Look how much chili peppers are in this bag. I mean, it's just packed. $7. And I can guarantee if you get one of those jars at the grocery store of spices that you don't know where they came from, they're going to be more than $7. So it's not that expensive to get a really nice spice. Now we're going to bring this to a boil. I'm going to find my whisk. So now whisk this and bring this to a boil, and especially if you use a cane sugar, you really want to make sure that your sugars are dissolved. And while you're waiting on this to come to a boil, we're going to make a little slurry. So I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and maybe a tablespoon or 2 of your filtered water, just enough to make sure that you make a really nice slurry and not Play-Doh. So now this is not going to be a pretty bright red color like the ones you see in the store, because it doesn't have any dyes in it, and also it doesn't have any gums or any high fructose corn syrup. So after your 3 minutes, slowly, while you're whisking, add your cornstarch slurry, whisking, and then you're going to want to whisk and cook for another minute. And now you're going to want to let this come to room temperature before you put it in your fridge, and then you can use this as a dipping sauce, as a marinade, roasted vegetables with it, salad dressing with it, your stir fries. It is just a really versatile, beautiful condiment to have in your refrigerator. So of course we have to give it a taste. It's perfect. It's sweet, it's tangy, and also just has a little bit of spice to it that's just perfect. So there you are, just how easy it is to make your own sweet chili sauce. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you later.